Number 1. Graph isn't a super cold liquid. If your widow's drooling fall a plumber, ikav glasket lint, is flowed honey ed event glaft. At room temperature, glass if is solid period. Old windows are thicker at the bottom because of how they were made. Crown and cylinder glass made uneven sheets. Glass is an amorphous solid atom with a lost in place but disordered. Like a frozen crowd, not marathon letters. Be busted. Share that before someone blames gravity for the windows. Number 2. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. At its triple point, water is solid, liquid, and gas all at once. At its triple point, water exists as solid, liquid, and gas simultaneously. The most indecisive moment in chemistry. Lower the pressure. Some water boils. The same time temperature makes other parts freeze. Balance those conditions. Bam, triple pointing. It happens near 0.01 degrees Celsius and around 16 to 1 pascals. So don't try this with your kitchen pot, Karen. Eins flitzt. Share this fact. Tag a friend who loves hot takes and a cold back. Follow for more mind-glowing chemistry. Number 3. Diamonds can burn. In pure oxygen and extreme heat, diamonds burn like coal because both are carbon. Wild, right? Heat breaks carbon bonds. Atoms react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Same chemistry, answer your lattice. Hole and graphite do it too. But please, don't try this at home or near jewelry. Emmons don't melt. They vanish into CO2. Mind blown? Follow for more science that feels illegal. Number 4. Gold is edible. Oh, really? This shiny stuff on desserts? Your body ignores it like a diva at a party. Pure gold is chemically entered. It doesn't react in your mouth or gut. It just glides through, looking fabulous. Edible gold is 22-24 carats, super thin leaf. No taste, not a toxicant. Yes, totally extra. It have sparkle, not nutrition. Your stomach treats it like a guest who will talk, then escorts it up. So yes, you can eat gold, but maybe let your wallet fix. Enjoy the dessert, now the price tag. Number 5. Bananas are radioactive. Thanks to potassium-40, a tiny naturally radioactive isotope inside all potassium. Most potassium keeps you alive. A Caney fraction is K40, which very gently decays and emits energy. Dose? About 0.1 microsieverts per banana. Less than a flight or dental x-ray. No, the lunch isn't a reactor. You need a ridiculous mountain of bananas to be dangerous, and your body quickly balances potassium. Mystery is wild. Even smacks have half-lives. Teleporties is billions of years. Like and follow from what mind-blowing bites. Number 6. Smell, sac, chemistry, touching your brain. Odor molecules dock into receptors in your nose, like keys finding locks. That chemical contact fires signals to your brain. Thoughts start as chemistry. Different molecules, different locks. Coffee sparks, cozy memories. Gym socks trigger the evacuate alarm. Smell links straight to emotion and memory. Your nose runs a lab. Your brain reads the results. Number 7. You're made of stardust. Literally. Like the very sneeze on the good of factory, but way more cosmic. Every single atom in your body was cooked up in the heart of a star that exploded billions of years ago. You are a cosmic leftover. Stars are like cosmic pressure cookers. They smash tiny particles together to make new elements, the building blocks of everything. When a huge star dies, it goes boom in a supernova, scattering all those precious elements across the universe. That's you, that boom. So the carbon in your DNA, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, all from stars that died so you could live. So the next time someone called you a star, just say, thanks. Alright, imagery up. And maybe give them the height. 5. A high five made of sawdust. Number 8. There's a metal that explodes when you cut it. I know, right? Meet sodium and potassium. They're like the rebellious teenagers of the periodic table. They're so reactive, they don't even wait for a full glass of water. Just a little moisture and boom. They burst into flames and zoom around like a tiny fiery speedboat. Like potassium, it's the overachiever. It doesn't just catch fire. It goes full Michael Bay. So remember, kids, Some metals are best admired from a distance, in a world full of things that sink. Number 9. Ice is less dense than liquid water. It's the ultimate rebel. Almost every other substance gets squished and sinks when it's cold. But water molecules are social butterflies. In liquid form, they're all over the place, forming and breaking bonds. When it freezes, they lock into a crystal structure, like a perfectly choreographed dance, creating more space. This structure is less dense than the random jumble, so ice floats. Mind blown. And this little quirk of chemistry? It's why lakes freeze from the top down, letting life survive underneath. Next time you see ice floating, remember, it's not just frozen water. It's a life-saving anomaly. Number 10, you can smell metal, but metal has no smell. Wait, what? Then why does this coin smell like, well, metal? The truth is that metal smell is a chemical party happening on your skin. It's your skin rolls reacting with the metals, though it's not the metal you're smelling. It's the smell of your own skin. Breaking down? Exactly. This reaction creates new, tiny molecules that float into your nose and trigger that familiar metallic scent. So the next time you smell metal, remember, it's just your skin saying hello. Mind blown, right?
Number 11. Can it be explained why onions make you hide? They produce sulfuric acid in your eyes.
Rude or impressed duty. Here's the thing.
When you cut into an onion, you're not just dicing a veggie. You're triggering a chemical defense system. The onion releases a gas called propanucleoacid oxide. Think of it as the onion's version of a smoke bomb. When this gas hits the water in your eyes, it chemically reacts to form sulfuric acid. The eye development. To wash away your acid, the ink pennies start dragging your face with tears. It's a defense mechanism against the onion's defense mechanism. The next time you battle an onion, remember, it's not personal. It's just chemistry. Blue-blooded chemistry.
Number 12. Water is its terrible solvents, like Coke terrible. Ever tried to mix oil and water? It's like they're the ultimate frenemies. Total drama queens. But then bam! It dissolves salt like it's nothing. What is this madness? Here's the secret. Water is a bipolar molecule. It has a positive side and a negative side. So for ionic compounds like salt, it's a total ninja, pulling the molecules apart. But organic molecules like oil are non-polar. They're like, sorry water, you're not my type. No charge, no attraction. So water is a solvent with a personality. It's either the best at its job or it doesn't even want to try. How's that for mind-blowing? Number 13. Your brain runs on salt. Yep, you'd heard that right. The most complex object in the known universe is powered by the same stuff you put on French fries. Here's the deal. Your thoughts are electrical signals, and those signals are created by tiny charged particles called ions, mainly sodium and potassium. When a neuron fires, it's a domino effect of these ions rushing in and out, creating a spark that zips through your brain at up to 268 miles per hour. This chain of sparks is how you think, move, and feel everything, from remembering your name to watching this video. So in a very real way, you are what you eat. Now past the salt, I need to charge my phone. I mean, my brain. Number 14. You can't feel wet chemically. That's right. Your brain is lying to you. The sensation of being wet, it's just a clever trick. What you're actually feeling is a drop in temperature as the water evaporates, and the pressure of the water on your skin. Your brain just combines these two signals, and bam, it creates the illusion of wetness. It's a sensory shortcut. Think about it. A wet paper towel feels colder, not just wet. That's the temperature change your brain is using as evidence. So the next time you're caught in the rain, remember, you're not feeling wet. You're just feeling betrayed by your own brain. Cool, right? Number 15. Chemistry controls the color in fireworks. That's right. Ever wonder why they're not all just boring white sparkle flavor? It's electron karaoke up in the air. Here's the deal. Inside every firework is a metal stall. When heated, the electrons in its atoms get super excited and jump to a higher energy level. But they can't stay there. They immediately fall back down, releasing all that extra energy as, you guessed it, a specific color of light. Though strontium gives you red, copper gives you blue, barium is green, and sodium is that classic bright yellow. It's a literal chemical light show. Next time you ooh and ah, remember, you're watching billions of tiny electrons doing the cha-cha. Mind blown.